Hi guys, this is Lucy with WTI. Having trouble keeping your home clean from all those doggy hairs? FURminator can help.
It took some time, but Sai is always ready for the FURminator spray. Not only does it smell good, but it helps keep our dogs from shedding. With our busy schedules, we like to have and maintain their shedding to a minimum. So with Harley not loving showers so much, I love that we have this option. In between baths, I like to run him down with our wipies and have a little bit of the spray and put it all over his hair because Harley is the one who sheds the most. Yep, he likes to shake, and it's where I can see the FURminator working when I see all the hairs coming off. It's really helped us keep his shedding to a minimum. His doggy hairs are no longer all over his bed. It's very little compared to before.
So guys, good smelling dogs is no longer an issue with FURminator, and that's why we love it so much. That's our point of view.